Soft life in my kitchen. Morning light finds my window. Quiet songs in the air, my dear morning sun. Barefoot dreams on the floor now. Peace is cooking somewhere. I don't rush what is growing, I don't force what will rise. Every pot tells a story, every meal is a sigh. I stir love into silence, let the flavors all breathe. There's no rush in this moment, just the now, just the me. This is chai kitchen living. Slow hands, open heart, where the smallest of moments turn to something like art. Steam dances up to the ceiling. Time softens, let's go. In this kitchen I'm healing, learning life can be slow. No loud winds, no perfection, just warmth served on a plate. Every meal is intention, every pause is a grace. So I cook for the spirit, and I rest when I can. Living gently, forgiving, doing life hand in hand. This is chai kitchen and lifestyle, where calm always stays, where food feeds the body and peace feeds the days. Soft life in my kitchen. Morning light finds my window. Quiet songs in the air, my dear morning sun. Barefoot dreams on the floor now.